Bukeka Mbam, Leadership and Personal Growth Coach. I'm a founder of Restream. Imagine waking up each day with confidence to tackle your goals, knowing exactly how to communicate and lead your teams. Picture yourself not only achieving professional successes, but also leading a life of balance and fulfillment. That's what we are building together. An empowered leader who is ready to inspire, to innovate, and to make a lasting impact. So, if you are feeling stuck, you're feeling overwhelmed, or unsure of your leadership potential, you are not alone. This is the right place for you. Many professionals may face these challenges, but today I want to share with you how you can break through the barriers step by step into a confident, impactful leader that you're meant to be. I will offer you personalized coaching that is designed to meet you where you are. Together, we will work to uncover your strength, address any limiting beliefs, and develop practical strategies to build both your leadership skills and your confidence. With tailored tools, with actionable insights, and an approach that is uniquely yours, we'll tackle these challenges head on, and so you can lead with purpose and with clarity. If you are ready to make this transformation, take the step now towards becoming the leader that you always wanted to be. I invite you to join me in a coaching journey. Let's work together to unlock your potential to set you on the path to success. I'm excited to support you, and I can't wait to see the amazing impact that you will make. Click on the link, fill out the form, and get started. And I'm looking forward to working with you soon.